How to fix iPhone volume button not working on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can fix that. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on your settings. Now scroll down on your phone and tap on the option called General. As you tap into General, go and tap on Software Update. Every time you have to make sure that your software is automatically and recently updated to fix so many problems in your iPhone. When you do it, it might help you to fix the iPhone volume button. Similarly, go back and scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you tap on it, tap on Reset and tap on the Reset All settings. When you do it, it will automatically reset all of your settings on your phone and give you a fresh restart. Another thing what you can do is you can always switch off and turn on your phone again so that your phone is rebooted. In this way, you can easily fix iPhone volume button not working on your iOS. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.